Alright, so what's up today? What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be logging into MIT App Inventor. So first you gotta log in. Oh yeah. Okay. PLTW. So you're gonna have to go to the site, which is Project Lead the Way.
Unless you are an educator or a teacher, instead of just logging in with a username or password, click the I am a student button in the bottom right.
Okay. We're loading in. Okay, so we gotta log in. First you gotta click I'm a student, make sure. Should I be giving out my information? Okay, yeah. Okay, so okay. Now we're all logged in. Okay. So we're getting closer and closer. I'm gonna have to go to courses. But this may not apply for everyone. Our teacher assigned us this so we can get to the link faster. So, yeah. Alright, and you go to PL Gateway English or Hispanic, whatever you prefer. Okay, so now once you get there, you're gonna go. There should be a link that is established when you first sign in. Okay, so now it should be. Keep scrolling. Here, there it is. Alright.
Orange button that says create apps on the app.
And once you click that button, you're basically almost there. Only thing left to do is choose what you want to do. So, yeah.
Or whatever, it can make it not just do the app on. And then you click on start new project.
Once you click start new project, you're
click it right there.
Don't tell me this computer's doing this again. Okay, so you're there. So wait. We're not doing any specific project, so we're just gonna give you like an example. But we already created one, so this is ours that we created together. So yeah, and that's basically it. So that's how you get into MIT App Inventor. Goodbye.